Compound finals I, A, O. Hello, welcome back to our Pinyin lesson series. Today, we'll be covering the compound finals in Mandarin Chinese Pinyin, specifically I, A, O. What are compound finals? Remember the 6 simple finals we have discussed in phonetics. They are A, O, I, U, Yu. These simple finals represent the basic vowel sounds in Mandarin Chinese. However, a compound final takes these concepts a step further. Compound finals in Mandarin are phonetic components formed by combining 2 or more vowel sounds, totaling 13 in number. These include I, A, O, Ya, Ye, Wa, Wo, Yue, Yao, You, Wei, Wei. In these combinations, the vowels do not simply add together, but form a new fixed sound group that should be considered as a single phonetic unit. For example, the compound final I is pronounced as a single new sound, I, not as separate A and E sounds. Pronouncing compound finals involves a dynamic process where the tongue transitions smoothly from the position of one vowel to another, creating a fluid and connected sound. Types of compound finals. There are 3 types of compound finals: front resonant, back resonant, and mid resonant compound finals. Front resonant compound finals, the tongue moves from a lower to a higher position. The front vowel is clear and loud, while the back vowel is short and weak. These include I, A, O. Back resonant compound finals, the tongue moves from a higher to a lower position. The front vowel is less prominent, while the back vowel is clear and loud. These include Ya, Ye, Wa, Wo, Yue. Mid-resonant compound finals, the tongue first moves downwards and then upwards. The middle vowel is clear and loud, while the front and back vowels are short and weak. These include Yao, You, Wei, Wei. Pronunciation guide. Now let's go through the pronunciation guide for each compound final. Follow the instructions carefully and practice along. First, starting position. Begin with front A, tongue tip at lower teeth. Second, tongue movement. Glide up toward E. Read after me, please. 请跟我读 I. Example words with I sound. I love. 我爱你 I love you. 白 white 白色 white color. A. First, starting position. Mid high front vowel and tongue tip at lower teeth. Second, tongue movement. Glide up toward E. Read after me, please. 请跟我读 A.飞 fly 飞机 airplane 美 beautiful 美国 United States of America. Moving on to the O sound. O. First, starting position. Tongue pulled back, starting back. Second, tongue movement. Move forward towards U. Read after me, please. 请跟我读 O. 好 good 好人 good person. 跑 run 跑鞋 running shoes. Finally, we have the O sound. O. First, starting position. Tongue slightly higher and forward than O with slightly rounded lips. Second, tongue movement. Move up towards U. Read after me, please. 请跟我读 O O 头 head 头像 profile picture 狗 dog 狗粮 dog food. Now that you know how to make the compound finals I, A, O, and O, practice these sounds to improve your pronunciation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.